Alright, yeah, so you see this, right? I just caged him. I caged him for a reason. A lot of you dog owners know about this. Watch this. He is barking at the damn vacuum cleaner. What is that about dogs barking at the damn vacuum cleaner? Because I knew he was going to try to attack it and everything else. Jeez. It's okay. I'm just going to clean the floor. All right? It's okay. All right? Let's see what happens when I turn it on. There we go. Here we go. Okay, dogs are nuts. Just thought I'd share that with y'all. 1 million subscribers. Woo!